Welcome to an in-depth look at how the original vibroacoustic therapy, or VAT, can be effectively integrated with cognitive behavioral therapy to enhance habit change and therapeutic readiness. Let's start with an introduction to vibroacoustic therapy, a distinct form of sound therapy that uses low-frequency vibrations to balance inner systems and reduce pain, stress, insomnia, and anxiety, and boost vitality in a soothing and effortless way. VAT was pioneered by Norwegian educator and therapist Olav Skill in the 1970s. He observed that low-frequency vibrations reduced tension and improved mood in his clients. Original VAT uses pure, low-frequency sine waves, specifically between 30 and 120 Hz. These are delivered through transducers, making the experience primarily a tactile vibration, a form of massage, rather than just audible sound. The Soundwell Vibrotherapy exclusively represents Olav Skill in America and apply these same core principles using specialized equipment designed to transmit the vibrations directly into the body via mats, sofas, chairs, or beds. The Soundwell uses Skill's original low sound frequency compositions. Today, VAT is widely applied as a wellness and preventative tool sound healing platform, emphasizing deep relaxation, balance, and supporting the creation of positive habits. The therapy is generic, holistic, and integrative. It could be used as a standalone modality or integrated with physical therapy, occupational therapy, and psychotherapy. Within a clinical setting, VAT should be viewed as a complementary tool. Its primary function is state regulation, increasing physiological readiness, and enhancing receptivity for the cognitive work done in CBT. Vibroacoustic therapy minimizes the overwhelmed body and mind. So how does this vibration actually affect the body? It works through core physiological mechanisms. The foundation of VAT is mechanotransduction, which is the process of converting mechanical forces or vibrations into biological responses. The low frequencies penetrate tissues and stimulate sensory receptors. It acts as deep inner body massage, impacting organs, tissues, and cells. Pilot studies suggest that VAT can influence the autonomic nervous system by promoting parasympathetic dominance. This shifts the body into a rest and digest state, which lowers physiological arousal and emotional reactivity. With a calm nervous system, the client is better prepared for the core work of cognitive behavioral therapy. This is where VAT truly enhances the therapeutic process. In a way, VAT clears the desktop of the mind to enable optimized inner conditions to generating new positive habits. By reducing the physical barriers of anxiety and tension, VAT creates a state of, quote, therapeutic readiness. This increased cognitive flexibility makes reframing automatic negative thoughts much more effective. VAT is a bottom-up intervention. It regulates the body first. This creates the optimal conditions for top-down cognitive processes, such as restructuring and insight, to take hold and lead to lasting behavioral change. VAT can be viewed as meditation to the cells with no efforts. It enables stepping out of imaginative survival mode in a comforting and gentle way. Let's apply this integration to one of the most powerful uses of CBT, habit replacement. The session begins with the vibroacoustic regulation phase, about 20 to 30 minutes of deep physiological relaxation. The focus is passive reception, allowing the nervous system to settle. The critical transition window follows. In this state of lowered cognitive defense, the therapist introduces replacement behaviors or microhabits, pairing the new action with the current calm physiological state for stronger learning. This somatic regulation model also shows strong potential in managing conditions rooted in high arousal, like post-trauma and obsessive-compulsive behaviors. Obsessive thoughts and compulsive actions are often driven by underlying physiological hyperarousal. By down-regulating the nervous system, VAT can reduce the intensity of this internal stress, weakening the compulsion. VAT allows for low-intensity exposure or behavioral rehearsal to occur while the client remains regulated. This links the new adaptive response to a calm state, supporting emotional processing without becoming overwhelming. In conclusion, VAT is not a cure, but a powerful supportive tool for evidence-based therapy. By minimizing the overwhelmed body and mind, CBT and other psychotherapy modalities may be more effective. The goal is embodied learning. By linking new cognitive insights and behaviors to a deep, calm physiological state, VAT supports neuroplastic consolidation, making the hard work of habit change more enduring.
I am Abigail Berg, founder of the Soundwell. Contact us today to learn more about the added value of integrating the original vibroacoustic therapy.